Hi everyone, this is Yoshi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make nigiri. You can be a sushi chef after watching this video. We have a 3-step today. Number 1, making a vinegar rice. Number 2, prepare the fish. Number 3, making nigiri. Why don't you join me? Now I'm going to make a sushi vinegar first. Today I cooked 3 cups of rice. I usually use sugar and salt and vinegar. Okay, here's the recipes. I put sugar and salt each 15 grams. This is red vinegar we call akazu in Japanese. This is made from sake kasu. And this is rice vinegar. You don't have akazu, you can use just vinegar. Mix very well until it melts. And each shop and every sushi chef has their own recipes. So maybe you can try to make your own recipes. Now let's move on to the rice part. You have to use the rice which is just cooked. I usually use koshi rice, which is the most popular rice here in Japan. And I cook with less water compared to normal rice. Sprinkle whole vinegar to the rice and mix like this. If you wanna know how to cook the rice, please check other videos. Mix all the rice and the vinegar like this. Put the rice to one side, turn over like this amount with rice in motion to separate each grain of rice. This technique we call sharikiri in Japanese, which means cutting rice. I believe about 80% of the taste comes from sharikiri. And if you use akazu, you can tell the color of the rice. Let it cool down by using a paper fan. If the rice is too hot, it does not go well. And this vinegar rice we call shari in Japanese. Please remember it. Turn over all the rice like this and let it cool down again. This is a sharikiri. Before cutting the fish, you try to picture the size of cutting. The important thing to remember is to put the knife to your side and cut in one direction. This piece of the fish for sushi we call neta in Japanese. Before making nigiri, we have to prepare the vinegar water and wasabi. Vinegar water is not just for wet your hand, but also keep your hand clean, because vinegar kills the bacteria on your hand. And this is wasabi. I use a real wasabi. If you don't have it, you can use a powder or paste and what else. And this we call samehada. This is made from shark skin. If I use this one, the wasabi taste will be smooth and flavorless. It's a little bit sweet. Okay, now let's move on to how to make sushi. First, dip your hand into vinegar water. Wipe around to your left hand also. Take a small amount of rice by your right hand. Make sure you do this lightly and gently. just like this amount. You might think it's too small, but it's okay. At the same time, pick up neta by your left hand. Put some wasabi in the center of neta. And place shari on the top. And shape like this. Touch the top, don't press too hard. Roll it over and bring it back. Here's two steps. Step 1. Using your thumb and index finger, pinch it together, folding both sides down. Step 2. Hold the sushi with your left hand, gently push the top with your right hand. Turn it around. Usually repeat this 2 or 3 times. Okay, this is a nigiri. Just lightly brush the soy sauce. Now I'm gonna make otoro nigiri, just like I make at the counter. There are actually some kind of nigiri style. Today I show you kotegaeshi, which is a basic one. But there are also some techniques called tategaeshi, hontegaeshi. Sometimes I change the nigiri style depending on the fish. Also I have to think how much wasabi I put on, how much power I put on the rice. We always think about the customer when I make sushi at the counter. I've been working as a sushi chef nearly 5 years, but it's very young here in Japan. Maybe it will take a lot of time to master nigiri, but if you practice, and practice, I'm sure you can make sushi like me. Brush the soy sauce. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Today I taught you how to make nigiri. I think this is not easy for you, but I hope you will try making sushi. If you like this video, please subscribe it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.